Hello, in this video we are going to discuss four elements, and that's the bold element, the strong element, italic element, and EM element. Okay, so let's get started. Now, for the bold and strong element are a little bit similar, and actually there are similar visual similarities as seen, but there's just small difference between the two. Now let's begin straight away with bold element. Now bold element, this is actually making the statement bold by inputting a simple code called B, and we can go ahead and then close this. Okay, you can go ahead and close this B. Yeah, and then if we refresh, if we save and then refresh, you see there's a change in our statement. Okay, that's for bold. Let's get to strong. Strong, we can also do, this one has a tag called strong, so I come here and put strong. Okay, and then you come here and close strong as well. Okay, you come and do strong. That is strong. Okay, and if we go ahead, save and refresh, we see you see that a little difference. You may not even be able to identify it visually, but sometimes in text recognition, that's how it is for the blind, for the what, but visually you cannot even tell the difference. So they're a little bit similar in that way. And next is what we call the italic element. Italic element has tag which is I embedded into the tag, okay, and that gives it an italic tag. Okay, you can come here and then close the italic tag. Okay, so we do that. So I stands for italics, and if we save, we come here and then we bold. You can see that our text is now italic. Okay, and it has stands is slanting somewhere somehow. Then embed and EM and EM is we also use the same tag, but this time we put EM. Okay, and then we go ahead and close that tag from right here. We go ahead and close EM, and then we go right away, save, and then come. You always check here and see the difference. All right, you see. Okay, haven't closed it right here. It's supposed to come inside here. And then I put AM. Okay, so I save, I come and refresh my browser. Yeah, you can see that there is actually no visual difference between EM and italic. The only difference is here there is more emphasis, just as we saw in the strong and then bold. Yeah, alright, for today we are gonna keep it short, and that is it for today. Let's catch up in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.